This is our Doall 612 hand feed surface grinder. It's got an Optidress wheel dressing dresser on it with the original factory light source. Everything moves freely on it and you can see well through the optics. The grinder has a 612 Walker chuck, one-shot lube, all original paint. This was in the basement of a one-man grinding shop. I'm going to bring it on for you now. Very quiet. One direction, another direction, in and out. Off. Grinder moves freely. This is our Doall 612 grinder with an Optidress wheel dresser. Thank you for watching.